Imagine a place where history, craftsmanship, and style converge. Welcome to Brick Mill Furniture, where every piece tells a story and every creation is a testament to timeless beauty. Born out of the pandemic, when global supply chains shut down, we used locally sourced black walnut, white oak, maple, and cherry to build and deliver high-quality furniture across America. Nestled on the former site of our namesake, Brick Mill, a late 1800s sawmill, our workshop is steeped in the rich heritage of Williamsport, Pennsylvania, once the lumber capital of the world. Surrounded by some of the finest hardwoods, we have access to the best materials, ensuring unparalleled quality in every table, chair, and custom piece of furniture that we create. At Brick Mill Furniture, we care so much about quality hardwoods that we bought our own lumber mill to give our craftsmen the first choice of hand-selected lumber for your furniture. This meticulous process means we choose only the best hardwoods, a nod to the history and tradition of this incredible craft. But why Brick Mill Furniture? It's simple. We believe in creating lasting beauty. In a world that often embraces over-consumerism and fast furniture, we stand firm in our commitment to sustainability and quality. Honoring the centuries-old woodworking tradition, we aim to revive an old art form by hiring and training local artisans, creating jobs, and fueling the economy. Our craftsmen and women love what they do and take pride in seeing their creations come to life. Most furniture today is made to hit a low price point, often ending up in landfills. At Brick Mill Furniture, we reject that notion. Our pieces are built to last and timeless in style. Furniture your kids will pass down to your grandkids. Quality that's designed to last forever. Traditional joinery, handcrafted elements, and a high-quality, commercial-grade finish are a few things you can expect when buying furniture from us. We refuse to build the ordinary and embrace the one-of-a-kind beauty that only nature can dream of. Imagine your life happening around our furniture. Think about the moments shared at the dining room table. Birthdays, celebrations, everyday meals, and heartfelt conversations. Our pieces become a central part of your family's memories, representing the beauty of life's moments. Our designs are clean, timeless, and in style. They're classic, unyielding to fads. A beautifully handcrafted product from Brick Mill Furniture never goes out of style. Hardwood is incredible for storing carbon, making our pieces beautiful and environmentally responsible. To honor the future, we plant a tree for every item purchased, planting 10 times more than we use. And the best part? Everything is done within an hour of our facility. From the first cut to the final polish, our furniture is an authentic product of its environment, crafted with care and passion. Brick Mill Furniture, where history, craftsmanship, and style combine to create pieces that last a lifetime. Join us in celebrating the beauty of fine woodworking and the stories that unfold around it.